Here I have INFINIX Note 30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button hotspot. So by tap on it once you can switch your hotspot. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. So for example, you can change its name here, you can change its password, you can change its security protocol, you can change its AP band. You can also display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can set up one-time data limit. You can set it to turn off when automatically when no devices are connected. You can use it for USB tethering or for Bluetooth tethering. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.